Hi, my name is Jonathan, and in this video I want to talk about Tesla coils. What's a Tesla coil, how does it work, and how I made mine? First, what's a Tesla coil? The Tesla coil is an invention from Nikola Tesla, and it's a so-called resonant transformer. The easiest type is the spark gap Tesla coil. It consists of two resonant LC circuits. That's why it's called resonant transformer. L stands for inductance and C for capacitance. In the circuit they are connected in parallel. Both components can store energy. When the capacitor gets charged up, current flows through the inductor. This creates a magnetic field. The inductor stores energy due to its magnetic field, but when it collapses, it's inducing a current in the other direction and charges up the capacitor again. This process happens a couple of times until the system needs to get charged up again. The frequency is determined by the size of the inductor and capacitor. That's the resonant frequency of the LC circuit. The secondary circuit consists of a bigger coil and the top load is capacity to ground. When it has the same frequency as the primary circuit, the voltage in the secondary circuit increases. My Tesla coil works with a Flyback transformer, which I've got from an old TV. The Flyback needs a driver to work. This driver is made of two resistors, a TIP35C transistor mounted on a heatsink, and a diode. The transformer is connected to a capacitor bank in parallel, and the capacitor bank with the primary coil also in parallel. Between the capacitor bank and the primary coil is a spark gap. When the spark jumps over the gap, it forms a conductive path and the system can oscillate like described. When the voltage decreases, the spark goes out and the whole process can start again. For the secondary coil I wrapped some 0.15 square millimeter enameled copper wire around a 25 cm PVC pipe and sprayed it with lacquer to hold it in place. Because the voltage is so high, there must be a good insulator between the primary and secondary side. The voltage even jumped through a PVC pipe on the outside, so I filled it with resin. As top load I used the bottom of a soda can. I get approximately 2 cm sparks of it. It's not very much, the circuits don't have the same resonance frequency yet. I have to change that in the future. The top load also might be too small, but for now I'm happy that it works. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more science projects.